Now this is a story all about how my life got filled with a CRT mound, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you the absolute importance of talking to people about CRTs. Here's me, CRT rescuer and enthusiast. Here's Josh. I'd bought some stuff from him on Facebook Marketplace a month or so before, and he told me that he bids on storage auctions from time to time. So I told him to let me know if he ever ran across any CRT televisions that he needed to find homes for. So, maybe you can guess what's in the back of this U-Haul. Josh remembered our conversation and dialed me up. I made as much room as I could to accept and rehome all that he had. I tell you this story simply to convey the importance of talking about what your effort is, what your mission is, what you're all about, and help get more CRTs rescued and in homes and off of the curbs.
So you found this shed full of old computer stuff?
Yeah, so.
And you won? You bid on it?
I bid on it.
Okay.
So the reason I bid on it, I wanted the shelving in there.
Ah.
There was a bunch of metal shelving, and nobody wanted to bid on it because that meant they had to clean it out.
Yeah.
So to get the shelving, I had to clean it out.
And you were like, I know a sucker.
I almost didn't include this segment because of how embarrassed I am at my workspace. I wish that I could say that it's not always like this, but it pretty much is. It's a place to work on things.
So it turns out the guy that this unit belonged to, he was some kind of computer guy, like computer repair or something.
Old-timey, yeah.
So he had all those monitors, plus probably about 20 of those hard drives in the system. I'm not done, I still gotta finish tomorrow.
Oh, really? You going back for more?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back for more. But I think I got all the monitors out, because those were the heaviest thing.
Yeah.
And
you wanted those so that you can get to your shelving.
yeah.
I bet that one is monochrome. Either green or amber monochrome. I bet. I hope it fires up so we can tell. How are you enjoying your documentation work?
It is very fun and very interesting.
Is it?
Yes.
Crazy old guys moving ancient technology in the dark.
I wouldn't call it ancient, just old.
Little guy for my little guy.
Why do you do this?
Basically, nobody is making these anymore, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they have a life-ending period, or they're only going to last so long, right? They have a life expectancy. So in 20, 30, 40, 50 years, I don't know, these things are going to be harder and harder to come by.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm trying to keep as many of them alive now as I can, so that in the future people will be able to enjoy these, and it won't just be just a story like, remember when the TV glowed at you? You'll be able to live it out. Oh man, it's like Christmas. Ooh, the stickers on that. I wonder what it says. What's it say? Let's look at this sticker. Grassroots music.
Using the Wayback Machine, I visited grassrootsmusic.com as it was back in 1998. It turns out that it was an effort to help independent, folky, Americana, Christian artists promote their music. Which is still pretty cool, even if it's not the giddy-up bluegrass music that I was hoping it was.
We're gonna have to check that out. We're gonna check that website out.
Mm-hmm.
See what this fella's all about. Grassroots music. Sounds like my kind of guy. Come over here so you can see like us and the mound of TVs.
Mound.
The mound of TV. So basically, I just wanted to like thank you for thinking of me and bringing all this stuff over here. This is a guy that had some of them Bidja games listed on Facebook Marketplace. I think, and I got those. When I was picking up this stuff, I mentioned like, hey, do you have any tube TVs? Because I picked them up and I rehomed them. I give them to people that are looking for them because obviously I'm going to run out of space over here. And so this guy just happened to think about me. How sweet is that? Whenever he, you bought a storage shed.
Yes, I did.
And I had a ton of old PCs and old PC monitors. And so there's a geeky, happy group of people out there that are going to be thrilled to be able to try these out and see if they can get them.
Yeah, so I read that they can also use the CRT monitors for like retro gaming.
Yeah?
Because the new TVs don't work with the old gaming systems.
Yeah.
So I was like, cool, man, somebody's going to get to use these. Because honestly, I didn't have any idea what to do with these. I was just going to see where I could recycle them, dump them somewhere.
And you found
when
this sucker over here?
Yeah, so when he told me he wanted tube TVs, I figured these are kind of like a tube TV. Let me see if he wants them.
Exactly. So, yeah,
so
different
he said he wanted them, so I came right over.
Yep.
Luckily, I still had them in the trailer. I hadn't unloaded them yet, so that was good because I didn't have to do double work. Got red light on over here.
Oh, the red light came on?
Yep.
Okay. Son of a gun. Okay, so it's just black and white. Look at that.
So if I find anything else like super interesting, I'll let you know.
Oh, sweet.
There's a compact computer like in a suitcase.
Oh.
Remember those old ones?
Yeah. OG laptops?
Yeah, OG laptop. Big old suitcase. Looks like a sewing machine. Alright.
Well, thanks, man. Thanks for thinking about me. Thanks for helping to save the CRTs. You're doing the Lord's work. It's fabulous.
Awesome.
I sure appreciate it.
Hey, he's got chickens over here, too. You got chickens in here?
Yeah, chickens.
So be sure to chat people up about CRTs. You never know what they're going to remember or what they might bring your way.